What'd you get? You got goodies?
We got a few goodies for our Bucks Lake trip. And try some little trout hoochies for kokanee and trout.
Little hoochies.
Yep. Yeah. Oh yeah, you know it. Find some fishing lures. We don't stop. Can't stop.
Can't stop, won't
Get a
stop.
picture of her. Yep. She doesn't care about our fishing success. She just wants to go out for a day on the lake. We don't need to catch fish. Yes.
Is this true, Daphne?
We just want to go out on the water, have a nice, relaxing day, putting around the lake without any fish. Fish cost money, folks. Gotta buy lures.
This is true.
These are only like $3 a piece.
But how many did you get? 100?
No, I showed quite some restraint. Actually, I put some things back. And then I got these for trout.
Ooh.
Or kokanee. They worked pretty good up there last year, these. So we're gonna try those. And this is a little quick fish or maglet black. I think this is gonna produce some major fish up there. Some big ones.
Biggins.
I have high hopes for that.
Eric. Say something to the people. What are you eating?
Buy new M&Ms.
You're eating all my M&Ms all day.
I saved you a couple.
Yeah.
M&M thief.
Yeah, I know.
He left you some, as in
left
two,
me some.
plural.
Yeah.
What's the matter, bud? Huh? Are you not on the camera? Are you not on the camera, huh? Oh, crazy boy. He a crazy boy.
Get in the business.
You got it? You gonna give it to me?
I don't remember that one.
I got it. I got it. You drop it?
Taller than me for a while.
Good boy. Can you catch it?
Back up.
Back up. I'm the one backing up. Back up.
He's like, that it, man.
Back up.
I moved my butt. There you go.
You ready? Yeah, good job. Good boy. Good job.
It's 11:45, going to Bucks Lake. I'd like to say everything went off without a hitch this morning, but we had a problem with the hitch.
We had a problem with the hitch. We had to put the thing down, flip it, and reverse it.
It's sure a bit of a plan yet.
We did too. the hitch, we had to flip it around. It was riding a little too low, so that's hilarious. But we're on the road. Everything's good. I got my lucky hat with the bird poop still stained on it from last time. Good to go. Got no shame in my bang. Does that make sense? That doesn't even make sense, huh? Shame in the bang. No shame in my bang. I don't know. Sounds like it worked. So we just got to the campground Jay wanted to go to, and it's full. We'll see how this goes. He said there was some more spots, but he's upset. He had, God, these glasses. He had this particular spot that he wanted to go to. It was like the spot for the boat and everything else. So we'll see. You know, I always got faith, so we'll see how it goes.
Well, it's first come, first serve. We pull up and there's a campground full sign.
We'll go run somebody out of their sight. Hostile takeover. We'll just pull up on the boat like pirates. I have faith, Jay. Have the faith. Hold the faith. Keep the faith. Figure it out. We ain't going home yet.
I don't think it's taken.
First come, first serve. We're here.
Got the GoPro. Yes. Hit me with it.
Oh, I love it. That was good. That was good.
Ready, go. Go ahead. That one's not good, but it'll work. Go ahead. Beautiful.
We do.
Fence it done.
My goodness, it is so freaking beautiful. I gotta say, like Jay was right about this one. It's pretty freaking nice here. Let's run it underneath that blue handle and then up over that blue handle so it's kind of out of people's way, and then plug it into that GoPro there. Out of all the shots, like you can kind of imagine this one.
We got the camp all set up and we're out here fishing.
Start wiggling your arms with the dry.
Yeah! Holy moly! Yeah! Hell yeah! That's like a salmon-sized freaking fish, dude. 12 pounds!
Oh my goodness. We have had malfunction after malfunction. Things have been crazy, a little hectic. Man, I didn't do nothing but record. But we pulled in a freaking whopper. Like,
Back daddy. It was huge.
Jay, tell me a story about that time you caught that giant Mac freaking Roni.
It was not a story, and it happened today. Just now. We caught the biggest Mackinaw I've ever caught. I've always caught like little 16, 18, 20 inch. This thing, I didn't measure it, but it was 12 pounds. It was sizable, the size of a salmon. Size of a nice salmon.
When I saw that thing coming in, like, I couldn't believe it.
Never seen anything caught that big out of a lake myself.
A lake this size.
Golly.
You were the real life fisherman. Man, I feel like the level of the water in the lake just went down a little bit.
They might have. That thing was keeping this lake probably, you know, maybe a quarter of an inch higher.
Jay,
Yeah.
dude, everything has been fighting us.
Everything.
Everything. The generator.
Generator, trolling motor, GoPros, my phone, took
Yeah.
the shit.
And then we just got shots with the drone, and I don't know.
Malfunctioned in landing.
Yeah. Like, I couldn't see because it came down behind a bush over here, but I heard it hit the ground, and I was trying everything I could to shut it off. It wouldn't shut off. Jay had to pick it up and shut it down by the battery, and even then it didn't want to do it. Like, I have no idea what happened.
The must be the altitude.
It's the altitude. Blame it on the altitude.
All electronics are messing with us this trip. So, yeah,
I
it is
don't
what
know.
it is.
Hey, we got some good shots, and the drone's still alive.
Yes,
I think it's too alive. It has a mind of its own.
it did. It went haywire.
Well, the fishing mission was a success. We got a nice fish, a couple little ones, got some great shots. Looking forward to getting home and editing this piece. This is gonna be a big edit. 3 days, 3.5 days, 4 days, I don't know, something like that. A couple halves. Whew. It's gonna be good though. It's gonna be good. They're getting ready to head out. We'll go pick them up at the launch, and we'll be on the road heading home. And these glasses with my hat have been driving me so crazy, but hey, I can't complain. I got these for $5 just to beat up. My goodness, driving me nuts. All right, that's it for this one. Until next time.